Today we are exploring the Alphacool Core Ocean complete water cooling kit, as you can see here, and we're going to explore in this video how you can benefit from this amazing product. Available in 5 different radiator sizes, these kits promise to cater to diverse cooling needs, whether you're a gaming enthusiast or a professional content creator. Let's dive into what makes these kits stand out. The Alphacool Core Ocean kits come with radiator sizes of standard 120, 240 and 360, as also 280 and 420. These are really big. Whether you have a compact build or a full tower setup, there is an option for everyone. The versatility doesn't end there. Each kit is equipped with Alphacool's high-performance cooling technology, ensuring your system stays cool under pressure. The superior build quality and efficient design mean you're getting top-notch cooling performance without the noise. Worried about installation? Fear not. Alphacool's Core Ocean kits are designed for easy setup. With a user-friendly manual and all necessary components included, you will have your system running cool in no time. Now let's talk value. As many reviews have shown, Alphacool delivers competitive pricing without compromising on quality. Whether you're on a budget or willing to splurge for the best, these kits offer incredible value for every price point. You find the link for the product in the description. We put these kits to the test and the results are impressive. The cooling efficiency is top-notch, ensuring your PC components are always at optimal temperatures, even during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. In conclusion, the Alphacool Core Ocean water cooling complete kits are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cooling setup. With options for every build, easy installation and unbeatable prices, it's a win-win-win-win situation. Head over to Wet Shop to grab yours today.